Stop using debit cards. Use these credit cards instead. 2025 Guide. If you're still swiping your debit card for everyday purchases, you might be leaving hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars on the table and putting your financial security at risk. In this 2025 guide, we'll break down why you should stop using your debit card immediately and which credit cards to use instead to earn rewards, build credit, and protect your money. Credit card. Why debit cards are costing you more than you think. Most people are drawn to debit cards because they seem simple and safe. You can't spend money you don't have, and you're not getting into debt, right? Wrong. Here are 5 reasons why using a debit card is actually riskier and more expensive than using a smart credit card. 1. Cross-mark. No rewards or cashback. Every time you use your debit card, you're spending your own money and earning nothing in return. Credit cards, on the other hand, often offer 1.5% to 5% plus cashback, free flights, hotel stays, and upgrades. Sign-up bonuses worth $200 $1,000 plus. Example, if you spend $2,000/month, a 2% cashback card earns you $480/year. Debit earns $0. 2. Warning sign. Weaker fraud protection. If someone steals your debit card info and makes fraudulent purchases, the money comes directly out of your bank account. Even with protection laws like the Electronic Funds Transfer Act, you might have to wait days or weeks to get your money back. Cover charges up to $500 if you don't report theft quickly. Battle your bank over unauthorized claims. Credit cards offer stronger protections and zero liability in most cases, meaning your actual money is never touched. 3. Chart with downward trend. No credit building. Using a debit card does nothing to build your credit history. With a credit card, you build payment history, which makes up 35% of your credit score. Responsible usage improves your score and unlocks better loan rates, mortgages, and insurance premiums. 4. No entry sign. No travel or purchase protections. Debit cards typically offer no insurance or benefits. Meanwhile, many credit cards come with trip cancellation/interruption insurance, rental car coverage, purchase protection for damaged or stolen items, extended warranties. 5. Money with wings. Risk of overdraft fees. If you accidentally overdraw your checking account with a debit card, you could be hit with a $35 fee per transaction even on small purchases like coffee or gas. White heavy check mark. What to do instead? Use these credit cards smartly. Here's the good news, you don't need to carry credit card debt to benefit. If you pay your balance in full every month, you avoid all interest. Get cash back, points, and perks. Build your credit responsibly. Trophy best credit cards to use instead of debit cards. We've picked these cards based on high rewards, strong protection, no annual fee, intro bonuses, 1 Chase Freedom Unlimited registered trademark, best for everyday spending and flexible rewards. Banknote with $sign welcome bonus, up to $300 $500 in combined value. Credit card annual fee, $0. Money bag cash back. 5% on travel through Chase. 3% on dining and drugstores. 1.5% on everything else. Why it beats debit? You'll earn cash back on every purchase, get zero liability fraud protection, and even trip delay insurance. Who it's for? Everyday users who want a simple yet high-earning alternative to debit. 2 Citi registered trademark double cash card. Banknote with $sign best for pure, flat rate cash back. Cash back, 2% on everything, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay it off. Credit card annual fee, $0. Closed lock with key fraud protection, included. Why it beats debit? Instead of swiping and earning nothing, you get guaranteed 2% on all spending with zero foreign transaction fees and full purchase protection. Who it's for? people who want a debit card replacement with no categories or tracking. 3. Discover it registered trademark cashback. Best for rotating categories and beginners. Money with Wings cashback, 5% on rotating categories, like gas, restaurants, grocery stores, up to $1,500/quarter. 1% on all other purchases. Banknote with $sign bonus, unlimited cashback match in your first year. Credit card annual fee, $0. Why it beats debit, the cashback match effectively doubles your rewards in year 1. That's up to $600+ in value with no risk. Who it's for? Those who want a smart way to build credit and earn big during the first year. 4. Wells Fargo Active Cash Registered Trademark Card. Best for effortless rewards and high limits. Banknote with $sign cashback, unlimited 2% on all purchases. Money bag sign up bonus, $200 after $500 spend. Credit card annual fee, $0. Lock protections, cell phone insurance, zero liability, purchase protection. Why it beats debit, instant bonus, high flat cashback, and included insurance make this one of the best debit replacements on the market. Who it's for? People who want one powerful, no maintenance card. 5. Apple Card Registered Trademark. Green Apple best for iPhone users and privacy-minded spenders. Credit card cashback. 3% at Apple, Uber, Walgreens, and select retailers. 2% on all Apple Pay purchases. 1% on physical card purchases. Banknote with $sign daily cash, rewards are delivered instantly. Credit card annual fee, $0. Why it beats debit, built-in tools help you track spending and pay off balances. Plus, it promotes privacy. Apple never sells your data. Who it's for? iPhone users who want cash back delivered daily. How to use credit like a pro, without falling into debt. Switching from debit to credit doesn't mean you need to carry a balance. Here's how to win the credit game responsibly. White heavy check mark: always pay in full. Never carry a balance. If you charge $1,000 this month, pay $1,000 by the due date. That way, you avoid interest. Improve your credit score. Keep spending under control. White heavy check mark: automate your payments. Set up auto-pay to avoid missing a due date. Even one late payment can hurt your score or forfeit rewards. White heavy check mark: track your rewards. Use apps like Max Rewards, Credit Karma, or your card's mobile app to monitor your cashback or points. Stay updated on spending. Get alerts for bonus categories. White heavy check mark: don't overspend to chase rewards. Only spend money you'd normally spend, just put it on your credit card to earn rewards and protection. White heavy check mark: keep your utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your total credit limit. If your limit is $5,000, keep your balance under $1,500 at any time. End with left arrow. Final thoughts: ditch the debit for good. There's absolutely no reason to keep using a debit card for everyday spending in 2025 unless you enjoy missing out on free money, fraud protection, travel perks, credit score improvement. Switch to a top-tier credit card. Treat it like a debit card, i.e., only spend what you can afford, and you'll unlock a smarter financial future with no downside.